Hey YouTube, so I'm having an issue where I actually just bought this house and we have the cabinet bumps into the dishwasher. So you got a little divot there. So we don't want that to happen, obviously. We don't want to cause damage. So the solution to that is they make these restrictor clips. And that's pretty much what they look like. They're these little plastic clips. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take off this hinge, which I'll show you in a minute, and we're gonna put the restrictor clip in here, and that is gonna stop it from opening all the way. Okay, so I actually took the door off to make it a little bit easier to show you. So the clip is down in there. You basically drop the clip in, and what that does is that stops the door here as opposed to this hinge, which see how it's opened all the way. I'm going to put the door back on and then I'll show you, but I wanted to show you what it looked like when it was inside that hole there. Okay, I just put the door back on. So I basically just put the hinges back on. Now this doesn't open all the way. See, it only opens to 85 degrees instead of 105 like a standard cabinet. Look at the other side. See that? So look at the difference. So that's an easy way to kind of solve that problem. Basically, that restrictor clip is inside there like I showed you. You put that on, it's a quick and easy fix to help solve your problem. I wish I would have put one on before we had that dent there, but it is what it is. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. Have a great day.